first warning weather with Jim Spencer.
I bet Josh is actually seeing some live bats out there. That's what these are on the radar around Austin, and these up there around Round Rock and out there in Burnett County. Had some real showers on the radar earlier, but tonight those are just bats. However, down to the south, that is rain, and it is heavy, too. On the north side of San Antonio, headed up toward New Braunfels and now into the San Marcos area. And as you can see, that is clearly moving north toward the Austin area. So, for that reason, the topic of our weather blog tonight, the coming rain and the flash flood watch that has been issued. You can get here on your computer at kxan.com. Under the weather tab, click on the weather blog. In addition to that radar graphic there I have for you, I've got the information from the National Weather Service regarding the coming rain, including the rainfall totals. I'm going to talk more about that in a minute. There's the flash flood watch that has been updated tonight, and some very important reminders for you about flash flooding dangers as we may face those here over the next 24 to 48 hours. Check that all out on KXAN.com. Now, that flash flood watch that the National Weather Service reconfigured tonight includes now our eastern hill country counties of Blanco and Burnett and the rest of our area, and it's now extended through tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures tonight around the area in the middle 70s to upper 70s, still 79 in Llano, 75 down in the San Marcos area. By morning, we only fall maybe a couple of degrees from where we are now. 73 in the city. Rain certainly possible during rush hour in the morning. Certainly possible at noon tomorrow, and certainly possible at 5 o'clock tomorrow, heavy at times. It doesn't mean it is going to rain all day, but at any given time during the day, we could certainly see some rain, or maybe even a few thunderstorms. Mostly cloudy right now and 76 degrees in the city. It's cloudy and 76 also out at ABIA. Winds are variable in town. No wind blowing at the airport currently. Mold count today high with all this moisture here lately, 2,400 plus, grass low. If it doesn't get washed out of the air from some heavy rain in the morning, we'll still see some high mold and low grass counts again tomorrow. Around Texas, 78 up in Dallas. It's 80 in Houston, 75 down in San Antonio, where that rain is falling right now. In association with an upper level low that's located right there, most of the rain today moved up the Texas coast in association with that low. But tonight you see the development taking place right here in our area. And if you look closely in the water vapor imagery, you can see the rotation here just off the Rio Grande, between the Rio Grande and the hill country. And this upper low is going to be moving right our way. In fact, take a look. Here it is on the upper level storm forecast chart. There's your low pressure area tonight. There it is tomorrow. And there it is Thursday. In other words, it doesn't move very far very fast, meaning we have good chances of rain for at least the next day and a half to 2 days. Our computer model was just about exactly perfect tonight with where this rain would be developing by 11 p.m. Let's see what it does with it after 11. Increases it in the metro area, middle of the night. You may hear some rain raining down on your roof or your carport. By 7 o'clock in the morning, still some lingering showers possible. And then it blows up again with the heating of the day tomorrow. Fades away a little bit after 7 o'clock tomorrow night, and then we see it blow up again in the area on Thursday. We could be talking about general 1 to 2 inch totals with isolated 3 to 5 inch totals, and that's the kind of rain right there that would produce some potential flash flooding. Low temperatures tonight are pretty steady really where they are now. Highs tomorrow should be rain cooled in the 80s. That'll be nice. 75 tonight with rain increasing overnight. Tomorrow 85, a good chance of rain and maybe a few thunderstorms. On the 7-day forecast, we're going to go 80% of the rain tomorrow. Let's go 50% on Friday. Down to 20% or Thursday, 20% on Friday, and then a slight chance we'll keep it at 20% or less all the way through the early part of next week. Now, tomorrow morning, you're going to definitely want to check in with Austin News Today because Sean will have the radar and we'll have traffic information for you together every 10 minutes beginning at 5.